internet almost broke as drama unfolded between two women associated with JCM Church, Reverend Muthe Kiengei. There was an online drama between Kiengei's second wife Joy Kiengei and Damawa Spares, a businesswoman dealing with mobile spares who is suspected of having a thing with the JCM Church founder. Garita the Standard, Ekaadika. Dama is also an influential blogger who does not shy away from expressing her mind and thoughts. She does not shy away from online hard tackles and cat fights. Gedinabere. Brother Kiengei was ordained AIPCA church priest before forming his own church, JCM, which is located in Kamaki's Rural Kiambu County. In the cat fights that have been the talk of the town and Kikuyu blogs, Damaris of Dama Spears, who is also said to be the sponsor of the church, openly and drew songs taunted Joy Kiengei. She uses a Kikuyu song originally done by Sami Muraya and titled Kiokia Mutumia. Moments later, Joy took to her phone video to answer Dama with a song tailored to pour insults on Damawa Spears. In the song, Joy sings, "You devil, I won't tell you that there is a time that will come, and all the pains you make me go through will get back to you with vengeance and throw you in a hellfire." Gadinabere. Muthe Kiengei, who is also a comedian, a radio co-host, and events MC, had to switch off Facebook comment section on his profile, as well as that of his chat bloggers, and Kenyans called on to him to rain on his two women. Oti mwese na drako he. Didn't want to get the standard.